Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. I am David from Nagar branch. In this class, I will tell you. In the previous class, I will also tell about modeling tools like box, cylinder, cone, sphere, pyramid, wedge, torus. So in this class, I will continue extrude, loft, revolve, and sweep. And first, I will take extrude and take a polyline. Take a polyline and change top view, also top view, take home. So this is the isometric view, like south and west. You can see south and west. Take polyline, ortho mode on. I will take 36, also 36, also 36. I will take a square like this, dimension of 36, and I will extrude this. Extrude, select a object, enter. So increase or specify height. I will take 30. So you can see this is 2D wireframe, and I will change shader with edges like this. So this is the extrude. Next one, loft. Again, or take a rectangle like this, and also take a circle in center this, and move the top side circle, and take loft. Choose the rectangle, enter. Choose rectangular and circle, enter. So you can see this is the loft process. So this is extrude, or nothing but box. This is loft. And next one, revolve. Take a polyline, arc like this, also this. Take again line, escape. So I can show you the picture like this. I will take this like picture and take a revolve. Select objects to revolve. I will choose this line, enter. Specify axis, revolve axis, and choose 360 degree. Move here. Also rotate 90 degree. So you can see this process will be revolve feature. Next one, sweep. You can see revolve like this. And take SP line like this, enter, and take circle in this point. You take smaller circle Go to sweep, select circle, enter, select take or select sweep path. Right? This is the sweep. So this is the modeling tools. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our CAD NEST YouTube channel. Thank you.